Here's how to turn intensive drying on or off on a Bosch dishwasher similar to mine here, which should include the entire 300 and 500 series that have zone wash. In case you're wondering what intensive drying is, it's a hidden setting that is normally turned off by default, and according to the manual, it says it's a setting to increase drying ability for glasses and plastic. It increases the cycle length and temperature. To change that setting, first hit the power button. Then in the cycle area, find the fourth button from the left. Mine says speed 60, but your fourth button may be called something else. Hold that button down until the rinse aid light starts blinking. Then let go. Now start tapping that fourth cycle button until both the clean and sanitize lights flash. Then tap the start button, which will cause the light over deep clean to turn on or off. If it's off, the intensive drying will be off. If it's on, the intensive drying will be on. Keep hitting start and it'll toggle on and off. Once it's at the setting you need, hold the fourth button down for 3 seconds and it'll save the setting. You can then turn it off.